Volcanic eruption in Iceland in Meradalir Valley seen from the slopes of Meradalahnúkur, or the peak of Meradalir. We didn't reach the top yet, but we are very close. I just hiked up here to the top. So you see, we have a crater which is growing up, and then also a lava lake which surrounds it, and most of lava right now is going to the east side. It's going that way, and there it's dropping down because the platform here got pretty big, so there you have a slope and it's dropping down from that platform, from the slope over all the lava, of course. Most of people are on the other side. We are here alone, and pretty chilly, but was good weather today. See, on that hill to the right we have filming crew and rescue teams, but it's only from this side that you can see the back wall of the crater. It's somewhat open to the front still, but I have the lava lake, it's spilling over there. So this is the view we have today on August 12th, Friday. There is a smaller crater to the front which is also shooting lava. Quite a funny crater. But most of activity is concentrated in the big one, and its lava jets are getting higher and higher. Lavafield, of course, expanded, but this still lava still is in Meradalir. It didn't spill over. See how high it shoots. Really nice. Seems like activity intensifies in the night. I hope now with the sunset, sun is setting down in Iceland, we can film pretty nice videos. This went up 200 meters at least. All the best to you. My best wishes from Iceland. God bless you.